Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up an EZVIZ X5S Wireless NVR and add wireless cameras step by step. We'll start by adding the X5S NVR to the EZVIZ mobile app, and then we'll connect and add the cameras to the NVR. So, let's get started. First, make sure the EZVIZ X5S NVR is properly connected to power. Connect the NVR to your router using an Ethernet cable if you want to use the internet, and access your system remotely through the EZVIZ app. Next, connect the NVR to a monitor using an HDMI or VGA cable and connect a mouse to the NVR. Turn on the NVR and wait for it to start. When the setup wizard appears on the monitor, follow the instructions on the screen. Create a new administrator password for the NVR and complete the basic setup. Once the NVR is online, we can add it to the EZVIZ app. Open the EZVIZ app on your smartphone and log in to your EZVIZ account. On the home screen, tap the plus button to add a new device. Now scan the QR code located on the NVR label, or scan the QR code displayed on the monitor if your model provides one. The app will detect the X5S NVR. Follow the instructions shown in the app to complete the setup. If the app asks for a verification code, use the code provided on the NVR label. Once the process is complete, the X5S NVR will appear in your EZVIZ account. Now, let's move on to the cameras. Before adding a camera, power it on and make sure it is ready for Wi-Fi configuration. If the camera was previously configured, you may need to reset it and put it back into configuration mode. Now go to the NVR monitor. Right-click the mouse and open the main menu. Go to Camera Management. Here, select Search to look for available wireless cameras. The NVR will scan for cameras that are available to connect. When your EZVIZ camera appears in the list, select it and click Add. The NVR will now connect the camera to its wireless network. Wait a few moments while the camera establishes the connection. Once the camera is successfully added, you should see its status change to online or connected. You can now repeat the same process for your other cameras. Power on the next camera. Make sure it is in configuration mode. Open Camera Management, select Search, and then click Add. Continue until all of your cameras are connected. Now, let's check everything from the EZVIZ app. Open the X5S NVR in the EZVIZ app. You should now be able to see the camera channels connected through the NVR. Tap a camera channel to open the live view. If the video appears correctly, your camera is successfully connected. One important thing to remember is that the camera and NVR should be within a suitable wireless range during the setup process. If a camera does not appear during the search, move it closer to the NVR and make sure the camera is in configuration mode. Also check that the NVR is properly connected to the network and that the camera has power. For some EZVIZ X5S models, the camera can connect directly to the NVR's built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to monitor the cameras locally even without a wired network connection. And that's it! We have successfully added the EZVIZ X5S Wireless NVR to the EZVIZ app, and then added the wireless cameras to the NVR. Now you can use the EZVIZ app to remotely view your cameras and monitor your security system from your smartphone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more CCTV, NVR, and security camera tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.